Hey, this is Stuart Smith with Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters for a living. Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs here. We're still at Pure Terror. We're throwing down. We're working on a spinning tunnel, some floors, and a wooded area. So we're going to try to get that going for you. Show some stages, little discussion, little education. And hey, I really appreciate you coming on board. Please subscribe, like, and share. And hey, check out Stuartizm.shop. Got all our swag there and stuff. And we are going to be continuing forth here. Get up another 4 days. And then I head to Evellyon after that. And then, hey, see what happens from there. Thanks for watching, people. Take care. Okay, I'm going to try to keep the camera steady because I'm going over one of these bouncy floors. But this is stage 2, actually stage 3 of the wooded area. The owner wanted me to break up the sites and have a little bit different here and there. He saw some of my woods in another establishment and said, hey, that'd be cool. So we started white primer on the block. Then we put a layer of blue, we added a little yellow to it. And then we came along with the black and the spray gun and put in our big trees. And what we're gonna do next is put another layer of blue across in different areas to push them to the background, and then put in another layer of trees. And those are the ones we'll be doing some detail with, and spiders and cobwebs and things of that nature. So let's get that going, but try this your at home. Use a real good paint. Make sure she's solid and not too thin down, and make sure she thoroughly dries. Now I use the Rust-Oleum I normally use to do all the small branches, and the big automotive spray gun to do the big branches, the big trees and stuff. So they make sure she dries. So she's gonna dry overnight, and then we'll be able to put the second layer of blue with a little bit more green in it to give it the stages, and then be able to put the next set of trees. All right, phase 2, as far as getting the paint on, we've taken blue, a little green, and we've kind of fogged those guys in. Go down to there, right there. And she is ready for the next layer of trees. We do that in black, and we'll do that here now. Also, while working on the woods area, I am working on the spinning tunnel. So we're double dutying it today. So more pics coming from that. much for being here. See you on the next video.